In this video, I will show you how to download and install Need for Speed Heat. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to need to make sure is that you have the EA app installed, so the EA launcher. There are other ways to get hold of Need for Speed Heat, but personally I would advise downloading the EA app just because EA is the game publisher, so therefore you're going to have a better and smoother experience. So to go ahead and download the app, what you want to do is open up a new browser and you want to come across to the following website, which is ea.com/EA-app. So once you come across this page, it's going to take you directly to the download page. You can see the black download button here. So what you want to do is download the app and then just go through and set this up on your system. So once that's done, what you're next going to want to do is open up the launcher on your PC. Now, when you first open up the launcher, if you've not got an account, you're going to have to create one. So you just want to do that and then log in, and you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, all you want to do is come to the top of the page to the search box up here and go ahead and type Need for Speed Heat into here. And then press enter, and you'll see we've got Need for Speed Heat here. So what you want to do is click onto this, and from here you're going to want to select the edition you want to play. This is also available on EA Play, which is a monthly subscription which gives you access to a library of EA games. But for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and click select edition. Now from here it's going to give you the two different editions. You've got the standard edition and the deluxe edition. So what you can do is just go through and compare the differences. As you can see, in the deluxe edition you get a few additional cars as well as a bank boost and a rep boost. But if you do have EA Play, the deluxe edition is the default edition included anyway. So what you want to do is choose your edition and then click the buy button underneath. Once that's done, it's going to take you across to the checkout page. Depending on where you are in the world will depend on the payment methods available. For myself in the UK, I've got credit card, PayPal, PaySafe, as well as many others. So all you would do is basically go ahead and put your details into here after you choose how to pay, and then click the proceed to review order button down here. So once you've done that, it's going to take you to the checkout page and you just want to go ahead and confirm your purchase. Once that's done, it's going to start downloading automatically. So you can check the progress by coming down to the download manager down here. And basically once it's downloaded, all you want to do to start playing is come across to your library by clicking onto library. So this is going to be where all your games are once you've downloaded any games, and you'll be able to launch the game from here. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.